All right, now we're almost complete with the whole spindle assembly. One of the last things we have to do is get our dust chute ready, the new clear-cut dust chute done by one of our engineers here. So you just want to double check all of the parts that you will have in this clear-cut dust chute. You're going to get 2 hose clamps. You're going to get the ATC mounting bracket, upper and lower bodies, dust chute. We're going to crack open this bag here for all the other little goodies that we got. You're going to get M4 4mm button head screws, an M6 washer, M6 by 14 button head screws, the dust chute handles, M5 16mm socket head screws, the ATC hose bracket, and 2 slider bushings. You're going to take your front bracket, and there's a little bit of a lip here that goes on, and a little slot so that they go underneath and on both sides. And then you're just going to push it forward. You want to make sure that it's sitting nice and flush and the holes are all aligned. Then you're going to take the rear gasket, put it into the slots here, matching them up on either side.
You may have to spread the bracket for the gasket to get locked into place.
The gasket, the bracket at the back a little bit. Push it in. And now you're all locked into place. Take your dust chute upper half. Put all 4 screws in first before you tighten them around, because there is a little bit of play, and this will just make it a lot easier when you go to tighten them up. All right, now we're going to mount the dust chute upper body onto the spindle. Grab the bushing, grab the M6, kind of feed it through so you're pre-loaded. From the bottom, slide the dust chute up onto the spindle, and you're going to thread the button head screw into the bottom hole on both sides. You don't need to tighten it right now. You want to make sure that this gets inserted into the slot on the side. Next, take your dust chute handle and the M6 washer, and it goes into the top hole. You don't want to tighten up the bottom screws. You can tighten them up while you're doing this to hold things in place, but you're going to back them off after. So that's it. That's all what's to it. Double check everything slides up and nice. And then lock it into place. So you can remove the bristle cover, and it just easily snaps on, just like that. And once you're ready for your hose, you're going to put your hose on, and then you'll put clamps around the hose. Finally, part of this operation, we're going to use the hose bracket and the M4 4mm screws. Be careful not to put the screws into the ATC. Maybe use a piece of tape to cover up the vents while you do this installation. On top, it's going to face outwards. And you're going to use 3 of them. And now when you got your hose on, run it up, zip tie it around. And that is it for the dust chute.